Hello dear students, myself Devashish Wadi. Today we will discuss different types of data types in Java programming language. In the last series, we have already discussed about identifiers and keywords. So today we will discuss the next topic of Java, that is nothing but my data types. Okay, so what is data type? How many data types are present in Java? What are the different characteristics, their sizes, the range of the data type? All the things we will discuss in this lecture. So let us start today's topic, that is nothing but my data types. So in Java programming language, every expression and a variable has some types. Each and every variable is clearly defined. For defining every variable, we must specify the data type of that variable. Every assignment should be checked by the compiler for type compatibility. Let us consider one small example. Int x is equal to 10.5. This is valid expression. Okay. Boolean b is equal to 0. This is invalid. Why this is invalid? The only specified character of Boolean is either true or false. If we are giving any value to the Boolean data type, then compiler will must report an error message. So Boolean b is equal to 0. This is invalid in Java programming language because Boolean can take only true value or false value. Then Boolean b is equal to false. This is valid because false is the valid character of Boolean data type. Okay, that means every assignment, these are the assignment statements. Okay, every assignment should be checked by the compiler for type compatibility, whether the right hand side or left hand side, whether the right hand side and left hand side will be compatible or not. Float is compatible with integer, so this is valid. 0 is not compatible with Boolean, this is invalid. False is compatible with Boolean, so this is valid statement. Because of the above reason, Java is considered to be strongly typed programming language. Why Java is called strongly typed programming language? Because each assignment statement should be checked strictly by the compiler for type compatibility. So Java is called as strongly typed programming language. Java is not considered as purely object-oriented language because different OOPS concepts are not supported by Java, such as operator overloading and multiple inheritance. We have already discussed in your C++ that different OOPS features are object class encapsulation, data hiding, polymorphism, function overloading, operator overloading, inheritance. These are the different characteristics of your object-oriented system. So operator overloading is one of the feature of object-oriented system. This feature is not supported by Java, and multiple inheritance is also not supported by Java. Due to this reason, Java is not considered as purely object-oriented programming language. Moreover, in Java, we are depend only on the primitive data types which are non-object. Primitive data type means int, char, float, double. We are depending on this data type. So, due to these reasons, Java is not considered as purely object-oriented language. Okay. So, in Java, 8 primitive data types are present. These 8 primitive data types is divided into 2 categories. First is known as my numeric data type. Second one is known as non-numeric data type. Numeric data type means the numbers. Non-numeric data type means except the numbers. Okay. Numeric data type is again divided into two categories. First is my integral data type. Second one is known as my floating data type. Integral data type means integer numbers. Integer numbers means the numbers which does not have any decimal point. Which does not have any decimal point. Normal number 15, 16, 52, 82. These are known as my integral numbers. Floating point numbers means numbers having decimal point is known as my floating point numbers. For example, 52.5, 72.82, 8.5. These are known as my floating point numbers. Different categories of integral data type is byte data type, short data type, int data type, long data type. These are comes under my integral data type. Float and double data type are comes under my floating point data type. Non-numeric data is again divided into two types. First is known as my char data type. Second one is known as my Boolean data type. So this is known as my classification of different primitive data types present in your Java. Clearly, we have 8 primitive data types present in Java. These are known as 4 integral data types: byte, short, int, long. 2 floating point data type, float and double. 2 non-numeric data types, that is known as char and Boolean. Okay, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. 8 primitive data types are present in Java. Let us discuss these data types clearly. So first is known as my byte data type. The size of byte data type is 8 bit. 8 bit means 1 byte. Size of byte data type is 1 byte. What is the range of a byte data type? Minus 128 to plus 127. We have already know that how to calculate the range. The formula is minus 2 to power n minus 1 to 2 to power n minus 1 minus 1. Again I am telling minus 2 to power n minus 1 to TO2 2 to power n minus 1 minus 1. What is n? N is nothing but number of bits. Okay. So this is the example of your byte data type. Byte b is equal to 10. This is allowed because the value is between this range. Byte b is equal to minus 127. This is also valid because in this range. Byte b is equal to 128. This is invalid because 128 is not supported in this range. Byte b is equal to false. This is also invalid. Okay. Then where byte data type is used? Now byte data type is only used whenever we are dealing with file programming and networking programming. Okay. Byte data type is only useful for file and network programming. Byte is the best choice if we use data in terms of streams, either in the form of a file or in the form of network. Okay, because in file or network, the data is transformed in the form of bytes. Okay, in the form of bits. Next data type is short data type. This is the most rarely used data type in Java. That means this data type is never used data type in Java. Why it is never used data type? Because the size is 2 byte. 2 byte means 16 bit. So 16 bit data is only used in microprocessor like 8085 microprocessor and 8086 microprocessor. And these two type of microprocessor, 8085 and 8086 microprocessor, are not used today. These are the outdated microprocessor. Since these are the outdated microprocessor, the short data types are not used in a programming language. Okay. What is the range of this short data type? Minus 327682 plus 32767. So these are the examples of your sort data type. Sort S is equal to 32767. This is valid because this number comes in this range. Sort S is equal to 32768. This is invalid because this number does not comes in this range. Okay. Next data type is int data type. Size of integer number is 32 bit. 32 bit means in Java integer size is 4 byte, but in C and C++ integer data is 2 byte. Okay. What is the range of integer data type? -2147483642 plus 2147483647. Okay. And this integer data type is the most commonly used data type in Java. Always whenever I am writing the program, I am always writing the S, int x, int y. Okay, frequently used data type, that is int data type. Let us consider this example. Int x is equal to 2147483648. Okay. This is invalid because the highest range is 2147483647, but here I am writing 48. Okay, so this is outside the integer range, so this is invalid. Compiler will give an error message. Next data type is long data type. Size is 64 bit and range is -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. So these four data types comes under my integral data type: byte, sort, int, long. What is the size of byte data type? 1 byte. Size of sort data type? 2 byte. Size of int data type? 4 byte. Size of long data type? 8 byte. 64 bit means 8 byte. Okay. Next comes to the floating point data type, and floating point data types are float and double. See, both float and double data type are generally used to specify decimal numbers. Whenever I am using any decimal number in my programming, I must use the float data type or double data type. Whenever I am writing 52.5, that specify both float and double data type, because float data type is generally used to represent the numbers which have decimal point. Double data type is also used to represent the data which have the decimal point. Then what is the difference between float data type and double data type? In case of float data type, we represent up to 5 to 6 decimal point places. And after decimal point, I can represent 5 to 6 numbers. But in case of double data type, after decimal point, we can represent 14 to 15 decimal places. In case of float data type, after decimal point, 5 to 6 decimal places. Here, after decimal point, 14 to 15 decimal places. Since it represents 5 to 6 decimal places, it is less accurate and it is more accurate. Size of float data type is 4 byte. Size of double data type is 8 byte. And the size of range data type is -34E 38 plus 34E 37, and double data type range is -1.7E 3982 plus 1.7E 397, and E is for exponential. Okay, mantissa and exponential part. This is the difference between my float and double data type. Similarity of float and double data type is both are generally used to represent decimal values. What is the difference? Now, in case of float data type, after decimal point, we can only represent 5 to 6 decimal places. In case of double data type, after decimal point, we can represent 14 to 15 decimal places. So, float data type is less accurate, double data type is more accurate. And also, size also differ. Float is 4 byte, double is 8 byte. Next is Boolean value. Boolean value is generally used to represent only two values, that is known as my true or false. Except true and false, if I am giving any value to the Boolean data type, compiler will give an error message. See, here I am writing Boolean b is equal to 0. This is invalid because 0 is not valid character for Boolean data type. The only valid character is true or false. Here I am writing Boolean b is equal to true. This is valid. And what is the size of Boolean data type? Now, for the old JVMs, the size of Boolean data type is not 1 byte, but till now size of Boolean data type is not applicable, and range is also not applicable. But two characters are only two valid characters for Boolean data type is true and false. Next is char data type. Size of char data type is 2 byte and range of char data type is 0 to 65535. One question arises here also, why the size of character data type is 2 byte instead of 1 byte. See, in old languages like C and C++ programming language, size of character data type is 1 byte, but in Java programming language, size of character data type is 2 byte. Why this happens? Why size of character data type is 2 byte? Always there is a question. So you can tell that C and C++ programming language supports ASCII standard. ASCII standards means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Always C and C++ programming language supports ASCII code. If any programming language or any coding language supports ASCII code, only possible allowed characters are 256. If only possible characters are 256, 8 bit is sufficient because 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. 8 bit means 1 byte. So size of character data type in C and C++ programming language is 1 byte. Again I am telling, C and C++ follows ASCII format. ASCII format allows only 256 characters. For representing this 256 character, 8 bit is sufficient because 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. Since 8 bit is sufficient for 256 character, size of character data type is 1 byte in case of Java, C and C++ programming language. But in case of Java programming language, Java supports Unicode characters. And for Unicode characters, the only allowed characters are greater than 256, less than 65536. To represent these many numbers, 8 bit is not sufficient because 2 to the power 8 is 256. But here number is 65536. So Java people thinks that instead of representing size of character is 1 byte, here size of character is 2 byte. Okay. So C and C++ follows ASCII format. Only allowed character is 256. So only 8 bit is sufficient. So size of character is 1 byte in C and C++. Java supports Unicode based language. For Unicode based language, only allowed character is less than 256 but greater than greater than 256 but less than 65536. So 8 bit is not sufficient. So 16 bit can be taken. So for 16 bit 2 byte is sufficient. So size of character data type is 2 byte in Java. So this is all about my data types in Java. Numeric data type, non-numeric data type. Numeric data type means integral, floating point. For integral data type, byte, short, int, long. For floating point data type, float and double. For non-numeric data type, Boolean and char data type. Okay. Always remember, size of character data type in Java is 2 byte. Okay. Thank you.